I'm back with a new video on AI modules. Is now present on the latest platform version of Windows Defender, and currently I've gone through some of the documents in the endpoint protection, and I was even um, surprised to find the machine learning or AI based detection for Windows Defender. So they added this back in 26050 platform, and I'm currently on 26060. So in the previous version, they have added few new things which I have not seen. So this is Microsoft Defender on device registry filter. This is a UWP app, and I've seen AI platform host. It does not do anything. Even I've just checked the services, it is not enabled. But I've seen the ONNX runtime. So this is a cross-platform runtime that works on Linux, Windows, or any other platform x86 ARM, using a CPU, GPU, or the NPU and other hardware. So this is mainly used on edge computing, where you have to ship a small binary or a weight that is heavily compressed to get good inference speed with less precision. I'm not sure what kind of a model they're using. I didn't see any kind of an open weight added here, but there is a DirectML based library added here, along with that ONNX runtime, as well as shared providers that can take advantage of the NPU, CPU, or GPU that can detect the next generation of viruses or malware, which they have described here. So this is mainly targeting endpoint, but there is also agentic workflows as well, which you can enable using Intune. But this is mainly focused for enterprise. I'm not sure about the usage on the consumer side, but yeah, there is a heavy documentations added, what to do, and each how the agent should respond to network inspection, AI protection, general protection, whether it should block everything at first sight, things like that. I'll add the links in the description, and do let me know if you're happy or unhappy with this new AI model detection. I hope that it reduces the false positive and the system resource impact very minimal compared to third-party antivirus, which are very light. For example, ESET, maybe Wiper, and few others. But yeah, I don't want to compromise on the protection level or the detection rate that it provides. But then again, so this is still a work in progress, and I'm not sure if they will extend it. So I'm not sure. I'll just there's also Defender extensions that is added for Chrome as well. They've added Chrome, Firefox, I think, and it should work with different Chromium based browsers as well if you are on Windows or on Azure based kiosk machines or something. Yeah, it is still not installing. I think something else is missing. I think it needs the Intune configuration. I think that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.